lovelies, welcome back. Alright, are you ready for this quickie? This is like my 69th take. 69. Oh, we'll try again. Okay, sticky beef. Well, hello lovelies, and welcome to tonight's video. Sticky beef stir fry. Oh crap, alright, let's do this. Okay, so first of all we're going to need 500 grams of... First of all we need 500 grams of beef. That's gonna get sticky. Okay, first of all we need 500 grams of beef stir fry strips. We want to cut them in half. Okay, second we need at least 6 spring onions. We want to get the spring onions and we want to chop them like about 4 centimeters like that. We want bits that way. So we want to chop them like so, and then I just got a little bit off the end and chopped them really thin just so we can sprinkle it over and be fancy after. I will write the recipe down below for you guys as always to make it easy for you. Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to get out a cup. Alright, so first of all we want oyster sauce. Alright, we want to put 2 tablespoons of that in. So if you've never bought any of these sorts before, I get them all from the Asian section at any supermarket. Then we want 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We want 2 tablespoons of kecap Mannum. I never know if I'm saying that right. It's a sweet soy sauce and it's in the Asian section. And last we want 2 tablespoons of cold water. Then we want to mix it up really well and set it aside. So I'm just going to serve it with some jasmine rice tonight. So I've just whacked a bit of that in the rice cooker. Alright, so we need some sesame seeds. Set them aside for when we're just about finished. And we need some ginger. So if you've got normal fresh ginger, you need roughly a 4 centimeter piece. And you want to peel it and grate it finely. Otherwise, just do what I do and use the jar ginger. It's heaps cheaper. So in a bowl, we want to put 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Now just mix that in really well. Alright, now we just want to get our beef strips and we want to put them into our flour, bang it around and chuck them into another bowl and just coat them just a little bit. This is just to thicken up the sauce at the end and to get that nice yummy brownness on the outside. Once we've done that, we're going to get our wok up and we're going to go and sticky our beef. Alrighty, I've got an electric wok, so I'm just heating mine up to medium. 1 tablespoon roughly. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil you can get your hands on. Bang our meat in. Alright, we don't want to cook it, we just want to brown it all over and then pull it out. Alright, now we've browned our meat, we want to take it out. Now we want to add another tablespoon of oil. Our spring onions, and we just want to toss them around for a couple of minutes. Alright, a couple of minutes later you want to add your grated ginger or 1 heaped teaspoon of the jar ginger, and we just want to throw it around for about a minute. Alrighty, a minute later when you've got that beautiful smell going through your house, bang your meat back in. Now we want to throw our sauce in. Oh yeah. And now we just want to cook the shit out of it for a couple of minutes. Alright, and just make sure you keep tossing it the whole time. So we're going to toss it until it gets sticky. Woohoo! A couple of minutes later, God that smells good. Turn off the power or take it off the heat. And we've got our meat nice and sticky. Alright, all that's left to do is serve it up. Oh yeah, baby. Bang some of our jasmine rice on there. Get a little bit of the spring onion and just sprinkle some around the edges. On goes our sticky beef. Oh my God, it smells amazing. It looks freaking amazing. Oh yeah. Okay, next thing we do, get some sesame seeds and sprinkle them over. Oh, because why wouldn't you? Get some of that spring onion on top. And boom. We just got ourselves another little kick-ass meal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. You know me. I'll be back. Oh, the power's about to start. Go the power! Toodles!